Yeah. This camera doesn't want to focus. This is a different brand, I guess. 75 to 300. My first 300 lens. One more thing, a 32 gig card. I thought they're supposed to send me a 8 or a 16, if you remember, but no, this is a 32. It's a big step up, because the card I'm using right now in this camera is a 16 gig. So here's the camera body. About the same weight as this camera right here. Where does this card go? Oh, clever. Alright, I did lie. I did need the manual. This is a different camera than a Nikon, so yeah, gave me a learning curve. But let's see what the camera. Did you shut off on me? So, let's see what type of quality this camera does. Alright, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Whoa! It's so freaking dark. Probably the screen brightness. I gotta see what the playback is on my computer. But yeah, this is my little camera right here. You can't see it. It's missing the eyepiece right there. Yeah, you can't see it. So freaking dark. So yeah, this is my camera. And the battery's dying. Ah, crap. So yeah, that is the Canon Rebel T6. I really like this camera. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. And this is the last time that I'm going to be recording on the D3200. So, what will happen to this camera? Well, I am going to send it to a camera shop because, you know, it does have some problems. Mostly with the lens attachment mechanism. So I'm going to send it to the camera shop and get a new eyepiece. Yeah, it's just gonna be a spare camera. So yeah. So here's the new camera for my future videos. And again, if you guys enjoy, see you guys next time. Don't mind the mess.